In this tutorial, I will explain how Adobe XMP metadata is a huge benefit in Lyric Pro. Adobe's Extensible Metadata Platform, or XMP for short, is a labeling technology that allows you to embed data about a file into the file itself. I have started to build this scene in Lyric that contains a headshot. What I'm going to do is associate the metadata that is embedded in this TIFF file to these two text fields. XMP can be saved with TIFF files and JPEG files, but I want a cutout of this headshot, so I must use the TIFF file that includes an alpha channel. Let's switch over to Adobe Photoshop CS3 or above to take a look at XMP a little closer. This is the same headshot that I am using in the Lyric template. Click on File and select File Info to see the XMP panel. For this image, I added the player's name beside the document title, and I added his team and position in the description field. There is text in the author field as well. It is used to select the team logo, which will be described in later tutorials. Okay, let's go back to Lyric and right-click to select the 2D object properties for the headshot. Now click on the Metadata button to open up the Metadata Actions panel. You can see all the metadata that is associated with this headshot. There is the title with the player's name. Select it and then associate it with the correct text template on the right. Now click Add. Then go to the team name and associate it with the next text template and click Add. Now click OK and you can see the text change to the player name and team and position. If we select another player, the name and team change as well. It is that easy. Let's open up the metadata panel again. You can see that I had push selected as the action. You can also assign rules in this panel. For instance, in elections, when you have many different headshots of all the candidates, you can assign rules here that would not allow you to drag a Republican headshot onto a Democratic background, for instance. This is the real strength of Adobe XMP being used in Lyric Pro. Okay, I want to finish off this scene. I have the left headshot complete with the XMP. Now simply copying the group and pasting it gives me a second group identical to the first. Just slide it over and rename the elements in the scene graph to right head and right head group. I want to also rename the text templates to right name and right team. Now simply opening up the metadata panel again, and we can reassign the XMP metadata to the correct text templates. Now it is easy to drag and drop new headshots into place and have the text update automatically. One more thing to do to complete this scene. Remember the background Lyric node object we created in the last tutorial? Let's import the LNO into this scene. There you go. In just a few minutes we associated Adobe XMP to Lyric text templates and added a nice animated background using the designer tools in Lyric Pro.